AKH stands for a better tomorrow. From the National Parliament Complex Dhaka, about 15 kilometers to the north at Himayatpur Shavar. This is the corporate office of AKH Group. It is a world-reputed one-stop group of ready-made garment manufacturer and exporter from Bangladesh, operating since 1997 successfully. A fair trade signatory, qualified CT-PAT participant, certified with Oecotech Standard 100 Product Class 1, Global Organic Textile Standards, RAP Platinum, and several other globally recognized quality, environment and management standards. AKH now is becoming eco-sustainable sincerely and rigorously. At Dhamrai, by the side of Dhaka-Aricha Highway on a 12-acre land, AKH is developing this eco-friendly project strictly applying the gold category requirements of Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design (LEED), which are officially prescribed by the US Green Building Council. Construction work is going ahead. Once construction is fully completed, production would be started here by end of February 2015. It will have 480,000 square feet of constructed area, adequate space and scope for fresh air, rainwater storage and use, wastewater managing, as well as recycling and reusing, reduction of carbon emission, efficient and renewable energy, and use of heat-resistant building materials are a few of the major features of this green project. Only about 3,500 workers would be working here in the most pleasant indoor and outdoor environments. The factory building will not rise beyond the third floor. It will have all measures and features to ensure safety, security and good working environment for the people working in it. Open terrace with grass carpeting and rooftop gardens will also add to its pleasant and healthy ambience. This is going to be the first one of its kind in and near Dhaka. In fact, it is going to be one of the best worker-friendly and eco-sustainable garment factories in the world. Altogether, AKH Group is housed on an aggregate floor space of about 1.5 million square feet on buildings successfully evaluated for structural excellence and satisfactorily appraised by Gray Gabriel Associates. It has a LAN and WAN-based multi-component IT system. With a dedicated server room and 30 Mbps bandwidth, its internet connectivity involves both fiber network and wireless network subsystems to ensure high-speed access round the clock. In all of its divisions, the merchandising experts are highly experienced professionals who have the ultimate visualization and demonstration techniques to make effective negotiation an instant affair here. At present, every month, AKH produces about 1.1 million pieces of woven apparel, about 2 million pieces of knitwear, and about 500,000 pieces of fleece garments. However, AKH produces almost all the accessories needed to meet all of its group's export demands. It produces buttons, sewing threads, labels, polybags, hangers, gum tapes, straps, corrugated cartons and the likes. Stopover facility is part of AKH's very humble gesture for its valued clients. It offers clearing and forwarding as well as logistics services to ensure quick handling of export-import cargo. And therefore, AKH has quite comfortably been maintaining the delivery deadlines with extreme professionalism for all of its clients across USA, Canada, Europe, and Japan. Increasing on an average of 20% for over the last decade, AKH exported woven, knit and fleece apparel worth in aggregate about US $170 million in calendar year 2013. By the end of 2014, it is expected to reach about $180 million and this is expected to go to $220 million in the year 2015. Having 12 running concerns in the garments and allied sectors, AKH dedicates a portion of its profit to run an educational institution and an orphanage. In the same way, with the help of foreign surgeons, AKH runs free plastic surgery camps to offer cosmetic surgery for the underprivileged people in the remote areas of Bangladesh every year. It organizes free eye camps as well. At present, about 15,000 workers are working with AKH. This number is projected to reach about 18,000 in 2015. It provides transport facilities to its workers who live away from the factory area. In the factory, AKH ensures their personal health and hygiene measures, on-time wages and other financial benefits, appropriate medical care, befitting maternity attention and benefits, and safe and homely childcare services. It provides food allowances and some other incentives, bonus, grants, recreational opportunities and privileges that are not even mandatory in the given law of the country. In fact, AKH maintains a working environment in which workers can truly feel their working place as their second home. Recognizing the workforce resource as one of its key success factors, it provides training to its workers on a regular basis to help improve quality and productivity. A Workers' Welfare Committee is here to develop awareness among employees and workers about their rights and responsibilities. Through appropriate training and orientation, AKH keeps them always prepared to handle different types of occupational hazards. Firefighting preparation gets an extra emphasis here. All of its premises are monitored under an auto smoke and heat detection system round the clock. AKH exercises evacuation drill on a regular schedule to make sure all people on its floors would safely, successfully and smoothly respond to any emergency call for evacuation. AKH Tower at Himayatpur, Shavar. Independently self-sufficient with power backup facility, is exclusively dedicated for the group's woven division. In woven range, AKH produces high-quality men's shirts, ladies' blouses and children's tops, all in formal, casual and sport and fashion categories. Here, woven fabrics are procured maintaining very high standard and as per buyer's requirement, and from its own sources meticulously chosen based on the track record of repute in maintaining delivery schedule and quality specifications. Yet, AKH inspects fabrics thoroughly yard by yard, conforming to the 4-point checking system, before issuing this inventory to the production process. Then it perfectly develops the samples by highly skilled and experienced master tailors. Subsequently, it tunes production orchestration beforehand through a pre-production meeting and a successful trial production process carefully. Then it obtains patterns and markers using the world's leading computer-aided solution like EuroCAD and Gerber system to move forward to cutting in bulks, ensuring optimal utilization of fabrics. In sewing, AKH ensures identical reproduction of approved samples. In woven division, nearly 6,000 carefully selected skilled people are now working to produce woven shirts, blouses and tops. Designed with the contemporary and state-of-the-art equipment, its woven division now has 50 lines. AKH confidently claims to have an inexhaustible expertise in shirts and blouse making because since its inception it has been mastering itself in this area. Now it is producing about 1.1 million pieces of quality woven apparel every month. At present, woven division of AKH is comfortably operating within the quality periphery of AQL 1.5 to 2.5. But it looks forward to achieving the zero rejection level soon. Here, each and every piece of woven apparel is subject to passing through quality inspection, then getting checked for metal-free status. Here, in the CT-PAT enclosure, designated experts not only conform to the required security measures, but also carefully check the get-up and presentation of the polypacked items, as well as the complete cartons, to ensure the high-quality standard AKH seeks to offer. Under constant surveillance, however, from this premise, export cargoes are shipped by the logistic fleet of AKH Group. From the corporate headquarters, however, just about 5 minutes drive to the west at Tetulchhara, Shavar. This AKH's vertically integrated knit apparel wing in the name of AKH Knitting and Dyeing Limited. It has a water treatment plant to cleanse all the water it intakes through its deep tube wells and uses to dye fabrics. It has a 2.3 megawatt captive gas burn power plant to guarantee uninterrupted power supply for 24 hours a day to all of the operations here. In the knit campus, there is an 85 cubic meter an hour capacity effluent treatment plant also. This ETP of most contemporary technology dehydrates sludge and cleanses industrial effluents both chemically and biologically. In knit category, AKH produces all types of men's, ladies' and children's polo, basic t-shirts, pajama and baby wear of premium quality in both fashion and casual categories. In fact, AKH is capable of producing any type of knitwear, regular, fashion or fancy knitwear, whatever the international market may look for. The knit wing of AKH produces all the knit fabrics it needs to meet its export demand, using the world's latest and most dependable European brand machinery like Maya and C, Origio and Bigony, etc. AKH manufactures all varieties of knit fabrics needed for the international markets. In knit dyeing, AKH has got extensive experience, expertise and state-of-the-art technology. All results in a clone-like uniformity in achieving the dyeing perfection. To ensure quality in dyeing it seeks to maintain all along, AKH has got top-of-the-line laboratory facility having wash test, pilling test, colour fastness test, shrinkage test, colour fastness to light test and many other most contemporary and highly sophisticated lab testing facilities. Here the shade of every lot of finished fabrics is verified with data colour and brand colour matching machines. For augmenting its apparel further as per the buyer's desire, AKH uses Japanese Tajima machines for embroidering. It is is also capable of printing any type of specifications in film to screen developments. In 10 colors, AKH can print 50,000 pieces of garments a day. Its efficient sample section, however, thrives to ensure each piece of apparel it makes would be an identical reproduction of the approved samples. Subsequently, it tunes very carefully the production orchestration beforehand through a pre-production meeting and a successful trial production process. Then it obtains patterns and markers using the world's leading computer-aided solutions to move forward to cutting in bulks to ensure optimal utilization of fabrics, and then to sewing to ensure the ultimate tailoring excellence without compromise. In 32 lines on about 500,000 square feet of floor space here, about 6,000 skilled people are working in an ideal environment to produce about 2 million pieces of high quality and diverse types of knit garments in casual as well as fashion ranges every month. All of the machines are of world-class brands with automatic support devices. AKH Knit Division has got some special types of sewing machinery like picot, figot, press button of prim, flat seaming, smoking, zigzag, feed off the arm and elastic inserting and the like. The apparel finishing section has all of the necessary machinery